We are out on another very warm day today. As you can see, it's very green. Oops, I'm losing my leash here. Yeah, it's very nice and green here. We've had quite a bit of rain, and it doesn't take much sunshine to get everything to bloom. I think the last time I was up here, just maybe a week ago, it wasn't all this. So yeah, it definitely blossoms quite a bit. But it is very hot today, so we're just out for a little jaunt here, a mid-afternoon walk. I'm sure Cooper is going to jump into the spring up here. He's got to go to the vet tomorrow, and get a squeezing. And he doesn't like that. I guess he doesn't like the procedure, but he definitely likes the comfort that comes afterwards. And for all you dog people out there, you know the glands I'm talking about. That with some dogs they don't, they're scent glands, and they don't, like every time a dog does a number 2, when it comes out, it passes those 2 scent glands, and the scent glands are on each side. So when that is pushed out, the pressure from what's coming out